Today, this video presentation analyzes Bohol Tropics Resort, one of Tagbilaran's well-known hospitality establishment. This case study connects the resort to key concepts in tourism and organization, impact of tourism, and current trends and issues in the tourism and hospitality industry. Name and type of organization. Bohol Tropics Resort is a private sector hospitality business located along Graham Avenue, Tagbilaran City, overlooking the Bohol Sea. It is a mid-scale resort hotel offering leisure events and dining services. Structure and functions. The organization follows a typical hotel departmental structure. Front office department handles reservation and guest check-in and check-out. Housekeeping department maintains cleanliness of rooms, functions, and halls public area. Food and beverage department manages restaurants, bars, and catering services. Sales and marketing promotes the resort to the local and international markets. Finance handles budgeting, payroll, and financing reporting. Engineering ensures proper functions of its facilities, energy systems, and repairs. Missions and role in hospitality. Bohol Tropics aims to provide comfortable, family-friendly, and event-ready accommodation while showcasing Boholano hospitality.
Play.
Service offered: guest rooms and suites, swimming pools, function halls and convention venues, restaurants and bars, catering services, live entertainment on selected dates, airport and seaport accessibility. Stakeholders involved: owners and management, employees, local government units, suppliers and contractors, tourists and guests, local community and businesses, DOT and tourism regulatory agencies.
Impacts of tourism. Economics impacts. Positive impacts: job creation. Bohol Tropics provides employment for locals in housekeeping, front office, culinary, maintenance, and admin roles. Boosting local economy. Tourist spending contribute to local transportation, restaurant, souvenir shop, and tour operators. Negative economic dependency on tourism season, low occupancy during off-season lowers income. Socio-cultural impacts. Positive impacts: cultural promotion, guest experience, Boholano hospitality, food, and local events hosted at the resort. Negative socio-cultural impacts: lifestyle change. Tourism can bring modern behaviors that influence local youth.
Trends and issues. Technology trends. Online booking through OTA. Contactless payment and digital transaction. Social media marketing. Use of AI for customers' inquiries and chatbot services. Sustainability trends. Guests prefer hotels with eco-friendly practices. Pressure to reduce single-use plastics. Demand for energy-saving and waste management systems. Changing tourist behavior. Increase in staycations. Preference for affordable yet comfortable accommodation. Guests expect strong Wi-Fi and online support. Safety and security issues. High expectations for cleanliness. Need for disaster preparedness and emergency protocols. Local issues. Climate change affecting coastal properties. Rising competition from new resorts in Panglao. Over-tourism pressures in nearby attractions.
Recommendation: strength sustainability practice. Establish waste segregation system. Install solar panels or energy efficient lighting. Partner with local environment groups. Reduce plastic use and provide refill water station. Improve technological integration. Introduce a resort mobile app or AI chat assistant. Use digital menus and OR codes. Enhance website usability and online customer services. Enhance guest experiences. Offer cultural show or local craft displays. Improve staff training in customer relation. Bundle package with Bohol tours. Thank you for watching. This concludes our case study on Bohol Tropics. We hope this presentation helps deepen your understanding of tourism organization impacts and current trends in the hospitality industry. Please like and share and subscribe.